plant. This area was totally isolated. There was no communication. There a lot of infrastructure gap was there. And we started the plant. During the initial phases, almost 20 to 30,000 people were employed, and mostly from nearby areas. 2007 we started the production. Then almost whoever were displaced to set up this plant. We have identified around 120 displaced families who are rehabilitated in Niyamgiri Vedanta Nagar.
पाठ पढ़ी नथिलु आ कंपनी आसिकी पाठ पढ़ेला ट्रेनिंग नेला तापरे पाठ पढ़े की चाकरी दिया हेची बहुत सुविधा रे चलुछु.
My main responsibility is to ensure that we run this refinery in a most economical and best management practices so that the pollution, the sustainability.
They have initiated many developmental work in the area for the welfare of the villagers according to stipulated rules and regulations of the government of Odisha.
Health to all the people, education for all, avoiding malnutritional problems from this area, making this area as a malaria free area, making this area is a sickle cell free area, and also to bring better infrastructure facilities by creating road networks, by providing drinking water facilities to all the areas.
This is one of the projects, high level bridge and pipe water supply for Lanjigarh. We have also done 33 kV line for Lanjigarh.
Main focus is that benefits what has been envisaged under Panchayati Raj, and as per the Supreme Court order, we generally give 10 crore rupees per year towards our new foundation which we have created, that is a Lanjigarh Project Area Development Foundation. And I think the type of thought Supreme Court has given, the type of the activities we are taking here, and the type of the support people are giving to us, and the type of cooperation is there from the society, I think in time to come this can become a model example how industrial environment, how new industry can come up in an area like these areas. And we have given training to around 76 displaced people.
Displaced family आम displaced family के लावले हमको वेदांत ट्रेनिंग दिया गला. ट्रेनिंग देला परे मते डिपार्टमेंट दिया हिची मो हम डिपार्टमेंट होची सेफ्टी डिपार्टमेंट साइट रे हम सेफ्टी काम देखुछु आ लोगों को हम ट्रेनिंग भी देउछु.
Recently some judgment has been issued about by the Supreme Courts because that was about mining project which belongs to Odisha Mining Corporations, and they were to supply bauxite to us as per our agreement with the government of Odisha. Most of the allegations which were raised has been clearly addressed by the Supreme Court.
Vide its historic judgment of 19th April 2013, the Supreme Court of India has kept on hold Vedanta Aluminium's bauxite mining projects.
On 27th May, the state government in SC/ST department have directed us to conduct Police Sabha and to invite additional claims regarding forest rights, etc. And it is in pursuance to the judgments of Honorable Supreme Court. The instruction was 6 weeks time will be given to the people of 7 villages of Raigad district, that is 2 villages in Parsoli Gram Panchayat of Kalyan Singhpur block, that is Lakpadar and Lamba, and 5 villages of Shivapadar GP of Muniguda block, that is Batudi, Sarkapadi, Kesarpadi, Khambesi and Jarpa.
The judgment further ordered that the government of Odisha as well as the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India will help the Gram Sabha settle individual as well as community claims.
In the 5th schedule areas, I have asked the Panchayats and Gram Sabhas to exercise their authority and power with responsibility so that the deprived forest dwellers acquire the rightful position with authorization through ownership of land. The implementation of the PESA Act should move forward with the Forest Right Act. I expect the cooperation of the state governments on this.
Meanwhile, a new dawn has arrived in the life of the local tribals. The above judgment is a silver lining in the dark clouds of land acquisition process in tribal areas of Odisha.
Brothers and sisters, an important judgment of Supreme Court is published in this newspaper. The court has decided that no company can acquire land without consulting the Gram Sabha. This judgment will be very helpful for the people to get justice.
After discussing their problems in the Gram Sabha meeting, the people of Kashiya village are marching forward with new hope and aspiration. As we can see, they are acquiring new ideas and gaining self-confidence by holding Gram Sabha meetings at regular intervals. They are now determined to safeguard their own interests themselves. The villagers are walking in processions and raising slogans.
Power
Heart
to the people.
Another says,
Jami Jangal ebong Jala, Amar Adhikar.
Amar Adhikar.
Son of the soil, this earth, air and water belong to you, will remain so forever.